Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix talks about using the filter function and how we can use it with real work with our live lists. Static lists fall behind, so build a live list that refresh themselves, keeping up with your real world needs, all while using one of the new dynamic array filter functions. Let me show you how to do it. Here we can use the filter function with this data set. So I already used the unique function to pull just the regions from our data set over here. The unique function pulls only the unique names. Therefore, if they continue to repeat themselves, you only get a unique list. So I want to take this a step further. I want it to be based off of a specific region, and I want it to filter out this information. Could we filter this by turning it into a table or turning on the filter? Absolutely. But this allows us to have a more in-depth filter. It allows us to even possibly save them as views. It's just a new function that's really helpful. So the filter function is another dynamic array function, and you can find it in formulas, lookup and reference, and it is right here, filter, arrange, or an array. And we can take it even a step further, and we can combine it with this data validation, where whenever the region changes, the filter will change. So I'm going to click here in I6. And I'm going to go to formulas, lookup and reference, and choose filter. So the array is the entire data set. That is what we need to select. So I'm going to select A2, Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow. And I'm going to go ahead and hit F4 just to lock that in. And then I want it to include. So including is what I'm using for my region. And why do I need to use that? Because I want it to tell me whenever it's equal to whatever is here in J2. So let me show you what that means. So I need to choose the region column. So I'm going to click in B2, Control Shift down arrow, and then I'm going to hit F4. And before I'm done, I'm going to do equals and choose J2. So whatever inside of that region equals whatever's showing, that's the filter I want it to bring up for me. I click OK, and this is unfortunately not formatting as a date, but that is easily fixed. I can select this column, go to home, and choose a short date, and I can change my region, and the information changes as well. So you could take a data set and combine it with unique and then filter and then a host of other functions or dynamic arrays to really customize your data and find what you need in a short amount of time. No more static lists. Your lists are going to stay up to date and ready. Try using some of the new dynamic array functions or combine them together. Quick fix, small changes, big wins.